For the girls that get it, get it.
Go ahead, go ahead. Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy.
So before we get into today's video, this video is sponsored by Madden. Y'all probably are confused, like, girl, what is Madden? So now I'm about to give you guys the rundown about this company. Madden is a company who sells book bags, different types of book bags. Madden sells laptop book bags, travel book bags, lunch book bags. Some of their bags even are tote bags. They also sell wheel bags, so the ones that you can roll around, medical book bags, and organizers as well. So they have a lot of different types of bags and sports book bags. So if you know you need a sports book bag to keep your so say if you play softball, you need to keep your little softball shoes in your bag, or you play basketball, you need to keep your basketball clothes for practice. You can get you a sports book bag from Madden. And some book bags they sell can even carry your lunch. These book bags also carry a lot of items at once. So if you're a girl like me, I be having a lot of school supplies, and these book bags that I be getting from the store do not be working. Like, these book bags be breaking and everything. So if you want a nice quality book bag that can hold all your school supplies and all your schoolwork. So I know you guys is going to school real soon, and you're probably in need of a backpack. Madden is the place to be. And I actually have a book bag from Madden. So this is actually my book bag from Madden. This is just a regular school book bag, and it has gold details in it. As you see, this also has a USB port, so if I need to charge on my Chromebook, I can. So it has a lot of space. So it has a back space. You probably can put your Chromebook right here, and then it has the front of the book bag, which can hold a lot of stuff. And this is the charger part for the USB. And then it has some front pockets and stuff. So these book bags is really big, full. Like I said, it can carry a lot of school supplies and a lot of items. And like I said, you know, they have sports bags, medical bags, organizers, travel bags, wheel bags. A lot of different bags are sold on their website. So everything will be in the description if you want to purchase you a backpack. Because I know y'all going back to school, so y'all going to be in need of a backpack. So shop with Madden. And thank you, Madden, for sponsoring this video. But without further ado, let's get into this video. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Princess of Money, and I'm back with another video. If you are a new subscriber, turn that post notification button so you can get notified every time that I post. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. But without further ado, as you guys see by the title, today I'll be sharing with you guys what's in my emergency school kit / bag. So I have a lot of important stuff that I carry around school, a lot of emergency stuff I carry around school, and I decided to share with you guys because I know a lot of y'all is going back to school. For the girls that carry little kits and little bags, this is going to be some stuff that you need in your kits or your bag. So continue watching to see that. Okay, so first things first, you're going to need lotion. For the girls that get it, get it. Sometimes in the cracks of your hand, you might get ashy, especially when it get cold and you're going to school, and you might see a little ash on your hands, on your elbows, anything like that. You're going to need this. This really come in handy because sometimes, like, I even put lotion on and I still see, like, throughout the day, little ashes coming through my hands, or I hardly see it on my arm, but your elbows can get really ashy. If you know, you know. So that's why I carry around my Dove cream. It's kind of like lotion, but it's cream. I carry around this because this definitely helps me a lot throughout school whenever I'm getting a little ashy. So yeah, you're gonna need this. This is the first thing you're gonna need. The next thing you're gonna need is gum. So let me just tell you guys, you can wake up, get ready for school, brush your teeth, put on you know, little mouthwash and stuff, and by the time you eat lunch, your mouth stinks. Whatever you ate, you can still smell it in your mouth, and you don't want that. And not only that, sometimes people like to just chew gum just to chew it because they like to hear it, or some people just like to have that fresh breath smell. Like, you don't want to be talking to nobody and your breath smells really harsh. That's why you have to keep gum with you at all times. I definitely would prefer extra, but this time I don't got extra. But please get mint or like peppermint, some type of mint. Don't get the little flavors and fruit because they're definitely not gonna do nothing. You need mint for the very fresh smell. If you know, you know. The next thing you're gonna need is some lip gloss. So I have Rihanna Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and this is one of my favorites, like my second favorite lip gloss ever. Beyonce, shout out to you because you did that. But it's actually running out. But girls, keep lip gloss in your bag. For one, lips may get real dry. For two, you always want to keep your lips moisturized, hydrated. You want to keep your lips not too, you don't have to do the too glossy lips, but you just want to, at least if you don't have lip gloss, at least chapstick, because you don't want to be walking around school and your lips is like dry and everybody's looking at your lips peeling. You don't want that. So keep your lip gloss in your emergency kit at all times. The fourth thing you need is money. So for especially the girls that's in like high school, if y'all have vending machines or y'all have food that y'all have to pay for, money will definitely come in handy. Or if you're in middle school or elementary and you want snacks from the little cafeteria or whatever they selling that you have to pay for, that money will definitely come in handy. Because if you know, you know. And definitely now that I'm in high school, my school had vending machines, so I really be getting like sodas and chips and stuff, like if I don't want to eat the school food. So money really comes in handy. So keep your money at all times. The fifth thing you need is hand sanitizer. Now let me just tell y'all, COVID is still here, as well as monkeypox. But monkeypox don't got nothing to do with this. I'm talking about COVID. It's a lot of people that do not believe in COVID, but if you know me, you know I definitely believe in it. You want to keep hand sanitizer. Some schools still have hand sanitizer, but definitely because you're probably touching on a door that hundreds of people touched on. You know, you probably just touch on a lot of stuff in school that other people touched on, and you don't know like if they had germs or nothing. Just to keep away from the germs, you want to have hand sanitizer in your emergency kit at all times. Please keep hand sanitizer. Like, hand sanitizer do it for me every time. Like, if I'm touching on something that I know a lot of people touch on, I definitely will get out my hand sanitizer, put on my hands, rub it in real good, and go about my day. Girls, keep that in your bag. The sixth thing you need is deodorant. Dove. So if you know, you know. Everybody go back to school around August. Now let me just tell y'all, it still be hecka hot in August. And if you are a car rider or if you're a bus rider, you know that in the car line you're waiting in the hot sun. And you know, if you're a bus rider, when you on your way back home, you know it gets really hot on the bus. And not even just that, throughout the day, if you're doing something, you start to sweat, you start to smell yourself. Deodorant. Keep deodorant in your kit at all times, because you don't want to be walking around school stinking, musty. Everybody be looking at you like, girl, you stink, you stink, you stink. You don't want that. You want to make sure you keep yourself and your underarms clean at all times. You want to smell good. When you walk past, you want people to smell that deodorant through your shirt. So definitely keep deodorant, because I am a bus rider now. I never rode a bus all my life, but I'm a bus rider now, and I can say that my bus do have AC, but my friend be telling me like the bus really be hot and she be sweating and stuff. So that's why you should always keep deodorant in your emergency kit or your purse or whatever, or your book bag, because you can get sweaty in 1 minute and start to smell. So keep deodorant. The next thing you need is a pair of drawers. And I know you're like, Princess, really, like, you got out a pair of drawers out of your purse? Yes. For the girls that do have their periods, then you know that your period can come on the most unexpected time. Even if you keep track of it, it might come on earlier or later. And you might be in school thinking, oh, my period ain't coming on. It come on next week, and your period come on. And now you're on your drawers. That's why you need to have an extra pack of panties, because, girl, you do not want it to happen to you in school and then the blood start bleeding through your pants and everybody can see it. And if you do carry extra drawers, get black, because black is more safer for, like, you know, blood bleeding through. You can, if it do bleed through your black drawers, you won't even see it like that. Don't have no white panties, no pink panties, no light color panties, all dark color panties. And I suggest the black out of all dark color panties. Next thing you need goes back to what I was saying about the panties. You need a pad. If you're in school and you come on your period and you have no pads, keeping a pad would definitely helps out a lot. If any girls watching this have your period, girl, keep an extra pad. Or if any girl that already keep an extra pad, then you know, like, this period stuff is serious. Like, the periods are the worst. Like, especially if you bleed heavy, you want to keep an extra pad. Okay, so the next thing you need is AirPods. I keep my AirPods in my bag because sometimes during school, if you're not doing nothing, a teacher says you can get on your phone. I like to listen to music or watch YouTube or somebody call. AirPods really come in handy because if you don't want nobody hearing what you're doing on your phone or hear you talking on the phone or hear your YouTube videos, you definitely want to keep your AirPods. And sometimes when teachers do allow you to get on your phone, they be like, I don't want to hear it. So that's why you need AirPods. Okay, so the next thing go along with what I just showed you guys. I know you're probably looking at this and like, what is this? This is an AirPod cleaner. This helps clean AirPod. I got this from Shein. I will try to put the link in the description. But y'all, when I tell y'all, this really helps me out a lot, because if you know and you got AirPods, you know the AirPods get dirty. Like earwax be in the pods, the AirPods case be dirty, and you just want to keep your AirPod case cleaner. Like this do all the cleaning in the world, like literally. This is what it look like. This is where you get the wax out, and this is where you clean and brush and stuff. Y'all, when I tell y'all, it come in handy every time. I used it one time and it really cleaned my whole entire AirPod. Like my case looked so brand new. It cleaned the wax out the ears part of the AirPods and everything. Like y'all, if you don't got this, go order this for $1.50. Get it in a week and some days and bring your AirPods back to life, please, because you need this, girl. Okay, so next thing I carry in my bag, I carry a mini fan. Like I said, you do go back to school in August and it definitely be hot. Sometimes it may be hot in schools, or if you just happen to be outside and it's hot, you want to keep you a mini fan so that way you won't get hot. I keep mine right here in my face because the least thing I want to happen is my face to start sweating. Y'all, when I tell you this little fan be pushing a lot of air, y'all, I be feeling like I'm in the house in the AC. Like, yeah, and then I just hate to sweat. Like, I hate to be hot. Like, I can't stand the hotness. I can't wait till it get back cold right now. Keep your fan, girl, because if you get hot, you don't want to be complaining and the teacher like, oh, you getting on my nerves. And you don't want it to be a problem, so you want to keep your fan. And these are noisy. I'm going to have to tell you that. It don't matter what fan you get, it's going to have some noise to it. So, I don't know what to tell you about that, but keep your fan. Okay, and the last thing you need in your bag is a Tide marker. I know you probably like, what is this? Or if you even seen this before, this is a Tide marker. It helps remove stains off your clothes. So if you just happen to be eating at school and you spill food on your shirt, this will help it come off. And I know y'all like, girl, where you get it from? Where you get it from? I got mine from Walgreens. Yeah, I found them in Walgreens where like the Tide and washing stuff be at. This where I found these. Y'all, somebody calling my phone. And when I found these, I was like super duper happy because I saw Ari posted first like a year or two ago, and then I was like, gotta get these because sometimes I do spill stuff on my shirt. I do not eat like a baby, but sometimes I just happen to spill something on my shirt or my pants, and I really be needing something to clean off because I'm very bougie. Like, I don't like spills on my clothes, especially if I haven't took pictures in it already. Yeah, and not even just that. If I happen to spill something on myself, I be trying to clean it off like with little wipes and stuff, and they do not be working. So this definitely helps out a lot. So girls, you want to keep this in your purse, get up, go to Walgreens and go find this, or you might can find it at Walmart. So y'all, that's everything that is in my purse / emergency school kit. I hope this gave you guys a lot of smart ideas. And girls, please run with everything I just showed you guys. Everything I showed you guys is very important. This is what you need in your book bag or your purse or a little pouch. This is important stuff that you need. Stuff you probably need daily. Stuff you probably have to use every day. So I hope you guys took some good advice from this video. I hope you guys start packing your bags the night before school with all of this stuff that I just showed you guys. I will try to add the link to this and this in the description. Most likely I'm not gonna be able to find this on the internet, but if I do, it will be in the description for you guys, because I know you guys are probably gonna try to go find these two things after this video ends, so I will link them in the description for you guys. That is the end of this video. I will see you guys on the next vlog. I hope you guys is enjoying my school vlog so far. So if you haven't watched my other 3 school vlogs, Please go and watch that. Keep running them up for me. I will see you guys on the next vlog. Peace.